The human digestive system is a fascinating and intricate network that transforms the food we eat into the energy our bodies need to function. Picture this. From the moment you take a bite of your favorite meal, a remarkable journey begins. It all starts in the mouth, where the process of digestion kicks off. As we chew, our teeth break down the food into smaller pieces, while saliva, produced by our salivary glands, begins to soften it. This saliva contains enzymes like amylase, which start breaking down carbohydrates. It's like a mini chemical factory right in our mouths. Once we swallow, the food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the throat to the stomach. This journey is aided by a series of rhythmic contractions called peristalsis, which pushes the food along. It's a smooth ride, but it's not without its challenges. Sometimes we might experience a hiccup or two along the way. When the food reaches the stomach, it encounters a highly acidic environment, thanks to gastric juices. These juices contain hydrochloric acid and enzymes like pepsin, which work together to further break down proteins. The stomach churns and mixes the food into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. It's a bit like a blender, but with a lot more acid. After a few hours, the chyme is ready to move into the small intestine, which is where the magic really happens. The small intestine is about 20 feet long and is lined with tiny, finger-like projections called villi. These villi increase the surface area, allowing for maximum absorption of nutrients. Here, the pancreas and liver play crucial roles. The pancreas releases digestive enzymes, while the liver produces bile, which helps digest fats. It's a team effort, ensuring that our bodies absorb vitamins, minerals, and energy from the food we eat. Once the nutrients are absorbed, the remaining waste moves into the large intestine. This is where water is reabsorbed and the leftover material is compacted into feces. The large intestine is home to trillions of bacteria that help break down any remaining nutrients and produce essential vitamins, like vitamin K. It's a bustling community working hard to keep us healthy. Finally, when the time is right, the body expels the waste through the rectum. And just like that, the entire process comes full circle. The human digestive system is a remarkable feat of biology, showcasing how our bodies are designed to extract the nutrients we need to thrive. It's a complex journey, but one that happens seamlessly every day, often without us even thinking about it. Understanding this system not only highlights the importance of good nutrition, but also reminds us of the incredible capabilities of our bodies. The human digestive system is a fascinating journey, a complex process that transforms the food we eat into the energy our bodies need. It all begins in the mouth, where the magic starts. As we chew, our teeth break down food into smaller pieces, while our saliva, packed with enzymes, begins the process of digestion. It's like a pre-digestive warm-up, preparing the food for its next stop. Once we swallow, the food travels down the esophagus, a muscular tube that connects the mouth to the stomach. This journey is quite remarkable. The esophagus uses rhythmic contractions, known as peristalsis, to push the food down. It's a smooth ride, but it's just the beginning. When the food reaches the stomach, it encounters a whole new environment. The stomach is a muscular sac that churns and mixes the food with gastric juices, which are highly acidic. This acidic environment is crucial. It not only helps break down food further, but also kills harmful bacteria. The stomach acts like a blender, turning everything into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. It's a messy process, but essential for digestion. Next, the chyme moves into the small intestine, which is where the real magic happens. The small intestine is about 20 feet long and is divided into 3 parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. In the duodenum, digestive enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver join the mix. These enzymes break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into their simplest forms. It's like a chemical factory, ensuring that nutrients are ready for absorption. As the chyme travels through the jejunum and ileum, tiny finger-like projections called villi line the walls of the small intestine. These villi increase the surface area, allowing for maximum nutrient absorption. It's incredible to think that this is where our bodies extract vitamins, minerals, and energy from the food we eat. Everything we need to function is absorbed here, making the small intestine a vital player in our digestive system. After the small intestine, any leftover waste moves into the large intestine or colon. This part is shorter but wider, and its primary job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter. As the waste moves through the colon, it becomes more solid, forming what we know as stool. The large intestine also houses a community of bacteria that help break down certain substances and produce essential vitamins. Finally, the waste is stored in the rectum until it's time to leave the body. It's a process that's often taken for granted, but it's essential for maintaining our health. The entire digestive system works in harmony, ensuring that we get the nutrients we need while efficiently eliminating what we don't. It's a remarkable journey that highlights the complexity and efficiency of the human body. Understanding this system not only helps us appreciate how our bodies function, but also encourages us to make healthier food choices that support our digestive health. The digestive system is a complex network that plays a crucial role in our overall health, but it can be susceptible to a variety of diseases. Let's dive into some of the most common digestive disorders and what they mean for our bodies. First up is gastroesophageal reflux disease, or GERD. This condition occurs when stomach acid frequently flows back into the esophagus, causing heartburn and discomfort. Imagine your stomach staging a protest, sending acid up the wrong way. Lifestyle changes, like avoiding spicy foods and eating smaller meals, can help manage GERD. Next, we have irritable bowel syndrome, often referred to as IBS. This disorder affects the large intestine and can lead to symptoms like cramping, bloating, and changes in bowel habits. It's like your gut is throwing a tantrum. Stress management and a high-fiber diet are key in keeping IBS in check. Then there's Crohn's disease, an inflammatory bowel disease that can affect any part of the gastrointestinal tract. It can cause severe abdominal pain, diarrhea, and weight loss. Living with Crohn's is like navigating a roller coaster ride with unexpected twists and turns. Treatment often involves medication and sometimes surgery, but many find relief through dietary adjustments. Another significant condition is celiac disease, an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten. For those with celiac, consuming gluten can damage the small intestine, leading to malabsorption of nutrients. It's like your body is allergic to bread. The only treatment is a strict gluten-free diet, which can be challenging but essential for healing. Let's not forget about gallstones. These are hardened deposits that can form in the gallbladder and cause intense pain, especially after eating fatty meals. It's like your gallbladder is holding onto a secret that it just can't keep. In some cases, surgery is necessary to remove the gallbladder, but many people live perfectly fine without it. Lastly, we have hepatitis, an inflammation of the liver that can be caused by viruses, alcohol, or toxins. Symptoms can range from fatigue and jaundice to abdominal pain. It's crucial to get vaccinated against hepatitis A and B, as prevention is the best medicine. Understanding these diseases is vital for recognizing symptoms and seeking timely treatment. Our digestive health is a reflection of our overall well-being, and taking care of it can lead to a happier, healthier life. So, listen to your body, make informed choices, and don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional if something feels off. Your gut will thank you.